Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage, another episode working on Project Carnage, getting ready for SEMA Show 21 here. So, JT and I got the back of the 4Runner stripped, ready. We gotta cut out a piece of birch to this shape to start the false floor, but we're gonna set out the airlift performance valve unit and the bulkheads so we can start running the 3/8 stainless steel hardline, which is how I'm gonna run the air system on Project Carnage versus just DOT 3/8 line like everybody else does with every other lift kit. We're gonna step it up another level just like we've done everything else on Project Carnage. So without a further ado guys, let's get started. Cue the music. Alright guys, here's our airlift performance kit here. Let's get it open. Big shout out to our sponsor, Airlift Performance, for hooking us up with our air management. Northwest Fab stuff here, don't mind that. Alright, so, basic stuff here. Instructions, really easy to follow stuff. But what we want out of here is our management unit, or valve unit. Package it really nice. Okay. See, what's cool about what we got, guys, special from Airlift, it's a new option they started releasing, is the valve unit with NPT ports versus the DOT fittings. So we can run stainless steel or 1/4 inch NPT fittings to 3/8 crush line basically, and those will run to 3/8 stainless steel compression fittings. Hard line like this. Bump the camera. But like I was saying, so it'll run this line here with 1/4 inch to 3/8 compression fittings. That's what they are. I forgot. JT just reminded me. So yeah, we're gonna get this placed in the back of the 4Runner, guys, and then start running our 3/8 hardline. So let's get started. Alright guys, we got our custom piece of acrylic here for the sight window on the false floor. Be really careful here opening this up. Big box for a little piece. Check it out. That's going to be our sight window. 1/2 inch acrylic. shout out to Crown Performance guys for making our custom brake lines for Ford Super Duty on one end and Toyota on the other. I already opened these for checking. I was checking lengths. But it's Ford Super Duty caliper, so it hugs around it nicely. And this is Toyota flare fitting on this side. They nailed it with the color. So these are perfect, guys. And these ones here are super long because I'm going to run them through the axle truss on the rear of the 4Runner. So that's why these ones are so long. Got our clips, our washers. These are almost 4 feet long. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, big shout out to Crown Performance, guys. You need anything, brake lines for any, four-wheel drive, Jeep, Toyota, any project like that, or SEMA truck, hit them up. Let's get our Stealth Black Viair 44Cs opened up here, guys. We can start to design mounts for them. I just need it for the clips, so I mean, if I was going to repaint something, this is in good enough shape to repair it and paint it. Like sat around a body shop or something, that's why it's messed up. Body shop jail. Paint jail. Off here, don't bang it up too much. There we go. The only reason we wanted this is for this clip, and this clip, I believe. These towers are what these are actually called, your clips go into. And this is a new fender flare from the dealer or something, ready to be put onto a truck. And it got kicked around the body shop, and that's what's messed it all up. But any painter could fix this up and paint this, but we're taking those pieces off of it, so that way we can repair our fender flare that was missing these two tower pieces. They got broken off during disassembly, and the painters didn't notice when they repainted it, but even then Spencer saw it and said, hey, we'll rob some towers from another one. These are pretty easy the way they strategically put these. we can epoxy these on that fender flare and get it on the 4Runner. So let's do it.